Welcome to Force Technologies, a legacy of innovation and reliability since 1986. Founded on June 17, 1986 by Mike Salmon, our journey began as a franchise distributor, quickly becoming the first European distributor for the then startup semiconductor manufacturer, Atmel. In 1988, Karen Thorpe joined the team, bringing valuable experience from Densepack in the USA. By 1990, we were recognized with multiple awards from Atmel for achieving the highest memory sales worldwide, securing significant contracts with Apple Computers and Star Printers. Our new building in Campbell Court, Basingstoke, was awarded BS 1570 certification. 1995 marked the launch of our first FT product. When Atmel made a crucial component obsolete, we took swift action, sourcing dies and packages, and the FT product range was born. This led to the creation of our Special Products division in Wiltshire. In 1997, our products were integrated into the Eurofighter, replacing several obsolete Atmel military parts. These products are still in use today. By 1999, we were proud to become member 27 of the COG Component Obsolescence Group, now known as International Institute of Obsolescence Management. Our first meeting took place at the GEC Borehamwood Social Club, where at the time Mike Salmon began his career as an engineer at GEC in 1970. In 2000, we moved to Henley, built a state-of-the-art lab, and combined our commercial and special products divisions. We initiated Authenticare testing to meet the anti-counterfeiting requirements of our customers. Today, Force Technologies offers a wide range of services, including FT-branded product manufacturing, screening, mill standard testing, die reclamation, custom design, and anti-counterfeiting measures. Our long-term storage and assembly program ensures consistent supply for over 20 years. We serve diverse industries such as defense, aerospace, industrial, and commercial. Our innovative solutions power applications like the Rolls-Royce Trent 700 engine and the Eurofighter Typhoon's HUD. Quality is at our core. Accredited with AS 9100, Rev D since 2008, we pride ourselves on maintaining a spotless record of audits. We are members of IIOM, CAWG, Aerospace Wales Forum, Make UK Defence, and the Anti-Counterfeiting Forum, and are JOSCAR approved. At Force Technologies, our customer service stands out, speaking directly to our experienced team members, all of whom have been with us for over 10 years. We offer quick responses and flexible solutions tailored to your needs. Our unique database and extensive library of databooks, some dating back to 1970, provide invaluable resources for our customers. Stay ahead with our Tech Talks podcast, covering the latest in obsolescence management, with special guests from the industry. In 2023, we invested £1 million into our long-term storage and assembly program, ensuring that legacy programs are preserved and protected from obsolescence. At Force Technologies, we are real people solving real problems. With a dedicated team and original owners, we are always here to help. Make us your first stop, not your last. Plan ahead and talk to us before it's too late. Avoid last-time buys and let us help you secure your future. Force Technologies, your partner in innovation and reliability.